fast, you know. I'll hello. Hey, I have two people here in my life. How are you, beautiful people? Reconnecting. Reconnecting. I'm live. Wow. This is cool, man. This is cool, man. Hello, hello, so beautiful, man. Hey, so beautiful, so beautiful. This is really cool. This is really cool, cool. Oh, my man is forward. Come on, man, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Woohoo! Season 3, come on, baby. Bam. Vamos. Slow down because maybe politics. Anyway, it's not politics, but sorry, the road is very bad. They're working. This is the reality. The true reality, yeah? Let's swap the camera. Come on. Oh, man. It's shaking bad, man, because my phone don't have this oil color. My phone don't have gimbal to stabilization anyway. Don't have stabilization, my phone. Hello. Welcome to the adventure. Fucking hell, man. You stop too like that, a little bit pushing out, so fucking hell. Come on, man, I am good. Hey, I am very good. So far, this is the situation. What happened? My phone was here, but one lady, I don't know if this microphone is still working. One lady break in front of me. And when I break, my phone fly away. I'm supposed to don't fly because that's why I pay this money for this. I pay this money for this stuff to my phone to don't fly. Yeah? But sometimes it's flying. This is the life. Now I was very surprised because I don't know where is him. Him arrived to the other side of the road, you know. Yeah. But anyway, me, this is good. Right, let's go. Oh man, come on. No, I don't let you go because you dusty me. Very bad. You dusty me and I don't like it. You dusty me. and I don't like. I hope my microphone is still working, because if it's not working, it's very bad experience. Very bad. Right, man, where is this down? Because this microphone, the microphone I'm using now, and someone right there, if you hear me, please. If you hear me, because the microphone should be still connected, yeah? So this microphone is the microphone for the camera, but I connect him to the phone, because, because I connect to the phone because it's more clear, when I remove the noises a little bit, yeah? This is why, actually, the plan, but the plan with the plan is unplanned. I don't know how to test him, but... Hard road, hard day. Hard road, hard day. Come on, someone press that like. Someone press that like if you hear me. Because if you don't hear me, I don't know how to test this microphone anyway. Man, I hope it's not broken, because if it's broken, it's serious problem. Serious problem if it's broken. It's not looking like it's broken, it's just bent, probably. If it's working, let me say it is flashing. It's not flashing, but it's connected. Yeah, funny day. Some people want to know where I am. Yeah, come on, my Moto, stay like that. Watch where I am. Man, what the fuck is wrong with this phone? Why is so dusty, so bad, so dirty? I don't believe this. Ah, because him focus on this camera, huh? Oh, you are stupid, man. Yeah, him focus on my hand. I need to retouches. Create a heat like green screen, lifting, closing, retouches, no retouches. I don't know, yeah. Anyway. I don't know anyway. Right.